This is Adventure America. We're at Mustang Island State Park on the Gulf Coast of Texas, and we're doing a little test on our new equipment we just got here. You can see it's pretty windy. We've got the new, well, not the new, but the new to us, GoPro Hero 10 Black with the media mod, which will be required to hook up some external microphones. And we also have the Rode wireless go-to microphones. It's pretty windy out here today. I'll show you. Sit this down, just kind of blows away. We're doing a test on how it'll hold up in the wind. We do a lot of hiking and outdoor stuff on this channel, so we deal with a lot of wind. This first test we're doing right now is with the external microphones. These microphones come with one receiver and two transmitters and 3 wind protectors and all the cords you're going to need to hook them to your camera. The media mod is something you're going to need to have to hook your external microphones to your GoPro Hero 10 Black. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to just the media mod now, and we'll see how the sound is with just the media mod. Alright, we no longer have the external microphones hooked up. We have the media mod installed on our GoPro Hero 10 Black. I'm not sure how the sound's doing, so we'll find out. See if it can handle the wind. Alright, now I'm going to remove the media mod and we'll see how the sound is with just the GoPro Hero 10 Black. Alright, now we have the media mod removed and we're just using the GoPro Hero 10 Black. No external mic and no media mod. Just the camera. That way you guys can kind of get an idea how it'll sound no matter what kind of setup you use. All right, we're now back to using the external microphone. I have it kind of mounted to my sweatshirt here, open to the wind. Current conditions are around 19 mile/hour winds. Hopefully you can kind of get an idea of what kind of setup will work best for you. You can see the flags blowing pretty good up there. And they got some nice picnic tables. They got some porta potty set up down here by the beach. Come out here to Mustang Island State Park, spend a day, spend a weekend. Or spend up to 14 days. This area over here is a walking part. And then on down this way you can drive down the beach. This is Adventure America. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.